Welcome to the show, everybody. It's the Crypto Lark, bringing you all of the latest from cryptocurrency land. After a quick reminder, this is, of course, not professional financial advice. This is just a dude talking about cryptocurrencies on the internet. Bitcoin down nearly 16% on the 7-day. Ethereum nearly 26%. Litecoin nearly 29%. Cardano 25%, Neo 25%. Is there anyone out there who can save us? We need a hero in these dark times. Tron. It's Tron. Yes. Up 25% on the week. An outlier in the sea of red that we are seeing. To give you a different perspective though, 1 Bitcoin is still worth 1 Bitcoin. Big picture, guys. Now the death cross, the Bitcoin death cross, that is when the 50-day moving average crosses over the 200-day moving average, has lured out the market bears. Yes, those cute murder beasts are out and about in force, so be careful out there when you're walking in the cryptocurrency woods, guys. Of course, we are seeing a lot of predictions for much lower bottoms to be coming in as there continues to be jittery hands in the market. Be strong out there, guys. A lot of weak hands have already been shaken out of this market. But even though we have short-term negative predictions, the year end for a lot of analysts is still quite bullish on Bitcoin. So that's something to keep in mind. The guys over at Tether have had their printing presses rocking in full gear as usual. Another 300 million new tokens have been printed out. Of course, only adding to fears of the inflationary function of Tether in the markets and the potential damaging effects of Tether should the Tether become untethered, shall we say. Of course, it's only showing again that it is so necessary that we do need more stable coins to come into the market. Digix DAO, for example, Maker and Haven, they all cannot bring out their projects soon enough so that we can stop worrying about whether or not Tether actually has the money to back up what they say they do. Will Smith has interviewed Sophia the robot. This is an amusing little bit of entertainment if you want. Of course, Will Smith, great actor, but Sophia the robot has been really getting around, without a doubt. That lady gets some travel miles, and I hope she's got a good frequent flyer program. Is crypto the future of film funding? This is an article in Forbes, but this is our good friend here at the show, Naomi Brockwell. She is going to be starting something called Hard Fork, a new television series looking at a dystopian future where cryptocurrency and augmented reality rule. A group of renegades use blockchain tech to hack the system and decentralize the power structure. Sounds like a very interesting idea. The funding for this series is, of course, being raised entirely with cryptocurrency. That's really cool. I'm really excited to see where this goes and to watch it when it comes out. So I wish them all the best in their project. Liechtenstein, yes, that tiny little country in the center of Europe, to support blockchain with new regulations. Yet another tiny country which is coming out positively in the favor of blockchain and cryptocurrency. Fantastic. The little countries may end up ruling the crypto space. Bitfenix adds new fiat trading pairs, which is fantastic. You can now use Bitfenix using British pounds or Japanese yen. Of course, that will help lessen the exposure of Bitfenix in particular to USDT, but that is a really great move to see any more fiat onboarding that we can. The guys over at Vertcoin, a call to action against ASICs, hashtag fair mining. They are trying to create a coalition of GPU mineable coins to stand up against Bitmain and to actually promote fair mining, not mining that destroys coins and destroys communities. Nebulous, we are almost to the main net launch. That is really exciting news for Nebulous, without a doubt. Descent testnet is out. Great to see the development happening over there too. Everex, good old Everex, they are thrilled to announce that they have been approved to be part of a Thai FinTech association. Now look, we've seen a lot of back and forth in Thailand about cryptocurrencies in particular, but nevertheless, this is, I think, a very positive move for Thailand and a great partnership for Everex. So definitely one of those chilled out sleeper coins to keep an eye on in the future. Indahash has proud to announce that they are integrating the IDH coin on their app. Really cool to see that they have brought out finally that integration, and that we will be seeing the Indahash token actually getting used in their influencer platform now. Ethos announces their latest airdrop partner. This will be Bodhi token, of course, a Qtum based token. But that is really great because right now, if you sign up for the Ethos wallet, there's already like 5 or 6 coins you're going to be getting airdropped, and I would imagine they'll probably announce a couple more over the coming days. So pretty exciting. Make sure you guys have got your pre-registration in for that. Horizon State strikes strategic partnership to empower millions in Indonesia. Another great announcement from the guys over at Horizon State. They'll be working on the island of Sumatra in particular, looking to bring community empowerment to the people there. Very cool work that Horizon State is doing. WePower has been listed on Binance. Now, of course, we'll need to see Elastos get listed over on Binance, and then all of that previous drama will simply have been a bit of drama. The guys over at Decentralized TV, this is Peter and John Sandington, frustrated with the censorship of centralized media sources, are looking to build the first ever cryptocurrency social exchange. This is a project that's in its nascent stages, but a big shout out to them for wanting to get involved and wanting to move this whole crypto arena forward in a really positive way that gives power back to the people who create content, and of course to be censorship resistant. If you are in Wellington on the 16th of April, the guys from NEM are going to be in town. The team from Choice, which is a recent NEM Community Fund proposal, are going to be hosting a NEM meetup that night. I will be going, so if you want to come and hang out, make sure you get over here at meetup.com and sign up to that. I'd be happy to see any of you guys there on Monday, the 16th of April. And finally, it is time to give away a sweet, sweet Lisk bag. Who is going to be our winner today? Scott Lee. No Lisk bag for you, my friend. Who is going to be? Haha! Lisk rocks. Here we go. AJ Drew. I'll give you a message here in a few minutes, man. That is all for the cryptocurrency news for today. Have a great Easter, everyone. Long live the blockchain, and peace out till next time.